Simple, straightforward affiliate marketing techniques and suggestions. Affiliate marketing can be a very exciting business venture that anyone can enter into for their business. However, for a beginner, using a good affiliate program can be a tad bit tricky. So what should a novice do to learn how to use affiliate marketing? Well, read the tips in this video to start with. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing program, you should use a plugin that rotates your ads rather than having them always show up in the same place. Each time a reader comes to your page, the plugin will show them a different ad and something new will catch their interest. Think carefully before affiliating with a product on launch day. While initial sales may seem promising, the product could be a dud over the long term, which means you're wasting valuable time and page space on a poor product. It is also easier to make income projections when selling products that perform well over the long term. As part of your internet marketing plan, consider including a surprise freebie with every purchase you ship out. This freebie need not be particularly valuable. It could be a branded promotional item or surplus inventory you need to get rid of. The surprise is the important thing. A surprise freebie will make customers think better of you and encourage them to come back and buy again. You don't want to spend much time working on a company's affiliate program only to never get paid or to discover that they mistreat referrals. Check the company's reputation by visiting the appropriate blogs and user forums. Test communications through email and telephone. Do they promptly answer emails? Are they rude? Are phone calls put on eternal hold? The way they treat you is how they will likely treat the customers you refer to them. Now you should be able to see why affiliate marketing can be such an exciting business venture. There is so much work and promotion you can do to help your online business get more traffic, customers, and sales. With these tips in mind, you can start marketing like a real pro. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.